Hi, I'm Dr. Douglas Rutt, Professor Emeritus at Concordia Seminary. Before his ascension, Jesus made a solemn promise to his disciples that he would be with them always, to the very end of the age. And he remains true to that promise, a promise that continues even to this very day. Yet he used weak and sinful human beings just like us to bring the Christian church to life. In my 40 years of experience in global mission, I have been fascinated by how the book of Acts so realistically and dramatically helps us see how God works in the world to accomplish his mission. Acts is a book about mission. And as someone once said, mission is the mother of theology. If this topic sounds of interest to you, I'd like to invite you to a new lay Bible institute I will be leading this fall, The Acts of the Apostles, the early disciples, and how they changed the world. The workshop is set for 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturday, October 7th. Registration is $20. The deadline to register is September 22nd. During our time together, based on the book of the Acts of the Apostles, we will examine how the missionary experiences of the early disciples caused the church to grow not only numerically and geographically, but also theologically, and how those experiences relate to our world today, a world that is in various ways similar to the world of Acts. I look forward to seeing you this October.